Scranton, PA. This has been life-changing.
We're on our way to Scranton, Pennsylvania to the Everhart Museum, and if you are a fan of The Office, you're going to want to go too. Starting now, they have an exhibit of The Office where they show the real props from the show, and I'm so excited to see everything that they have. So we're going to take you along with us and give an honest review at the end. On Scranton's website, there's a self-guided tour that you can do and walk around and see all of the sites from The Office, and that includes the Pen Paper Company, which is what the show is based off of. Then there's the Steamtown Mall where you can go and visit the Scranton Welcomes You sign. It is a replica, but you can go and take pictures with it. Also, close by to Scranton, there is Dixon City, Pennsylvania, which has the new Chili's restaurant there that is themed of The Office, and it is designed in the old school Chili's design like it was on the show, that you can visit and make a whole day out of it. At this museum as well, there is a full Stegosaurus replica, which is pretty cool to see, so we're actually going to make this a homeschooled visit day for us today. And then also there is some, I think, like gems and some pretty cool other artwork there to see too. That's pretty cool. Oh my god, how cool is that? Some real fossils.
How tall is you, Dan? That's bigger than you.
That's what the pirates want.
This is so cool. The finer strings. You put your own string on this. Identity theft is a crime. Seems like there's a lot of strings already. Scott's Tots. Oh my god, everyone loves Scott's Tots.
So you're gonna pick Oscar and Gil.
Oh, Jim and Pan. Asian Jim.
That's the best cold open? Better than the fire drill, Kevin's chili,
Alright, fine.
parkour.
You know what? I didn't even look. The fire drill. I mean, come on. And most chaotic. Oh. Dwight. It has to be Dwight.
No, we got picked almost everything the same except the.
This is great. Hi, buddy. Oh my god. This is so cool. Come. Oh my god, their outfits. This is amazing.
There it is. There it is.
There it is. Toby's manuscript, The Long Night's Whisper.
This is so cool. And there it is. Dwight Schrute.
David Wallace's glasses. You got. Do not open C Toby for authorization.
Was it the same crossword book every time?
Alfredo's Pizza Cafe.
You gotta write on the wall what the office means to us. Oh, here's the self-guided tour, like a pamphlet, right? Yeah. That's cool. I wonder if that's a real box. I was wondering if this was gonna be here. There it is. I thought no way it would be. That's cool. Childhood, that's a great one.
Huh? You were in the parade? We weren't in the parade, we were at the parade. Huh?
So we just left, and I would have to say, to be honest, that it was really cool to see all of the old props and everything from the show. They had some really neat stuff there. I was a little disappointed that they did not have the bobblehead, though. I really was hoping to see that, but it was pretty cool to see the engagement ring from Michael. I was wondering if that was going to be there, and that was neat that that was there. It was a little bit interactive, which was neat as well. If you're in the area, it's definitely a must-see if you're an Office fan, and then make a whole day out of it with the walking tour and then maybe seeing the mall and Chili's. That would be a really neat experience to do everything together. We don't have time for that today. All in all, I would say that it was really worth the trip as an Office fan, and it was really neat to see, and it'll be here for the next 2 years. They're having it starting next week. It is an extra additional $10 to see the exhibit on top of the fee to get into the museum, so it would be $20 per adult to get into the museum and the exhibit. And then kids are free for the museum, and then I think they're just $10 in to get into the exhibit too, so I think they would just be $10 total. If you're you're in the area, definitely go check it out. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of fun day trips like this, homeschool field trips, and then also I do a lot of homemade recipes, DIYs, baking, and